All right. So, camera girl Nicole has informed me that her special camera only takes 20-minute videos, so we just finished this problem right here. So let's talk about this problem. We had 2x plus 12 equals 14. It's a solved problem because it has an equal sign. But now we have two things sharing sides with x, both 2 and 12. We want to take care of the addition principle first. We took 12, we subtracted it. What we do to one side, we do to the other. We subtracted it from both sides, and we got 2x equals 2. And then 2 is sharing sides, but it's being multiplied, so we divided. What we do to one side, we did to the other. These canceled, and x equaled, and 2 over 2 makes 1, so we got x equaled 1. Let's go ahead and check this answer, see if it proves to be correct. The original problem was 2x plus 12 equals 14. We are determining that x equaled 1, and so we take 2 times 1 plus 12 equals 14. Indeed, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 12 is 14. 14 equals 14. Check. I know this math is true. This math is true. There you go. If you don't know that song, you didn't live in the 80s. I'm sorry. Okay, so that one works. We got time for one more, Nicole?
Yeah.
All right. So you guys, when we do videos, we don't get to tell as many jokes because we're trying to get through this rapidly. I hope you all had a good weekend this last weekend. I'd tell you I did something cool, but I really didn't. So hopefully you did, and I can live vicariously through you. Let's take a problem from the homework. Let's take something like, I see 4x minus 19 equals 5. 4x minus 19 equals 5. Okay. So, again, solve or simplify problem, right? Solve because we have an equal sign. Tonight, we are focusing on the addition and multiplication principles. These are our two steps. We do the addition principle first. Who is sharing sides with x? 4 and 19 are. But 19 is being added or subtracted, so it's being subtracted. We're going to do the opposite. We're going to add. Ooh, pink pen. Are you feeling special? I just got that the other day. You haven't seen that color all semester. All right, 4x. These cancel. Gone. 5 and 19. Add those together. If your arithmetic skills are busting your chops, then pull out the old calcufetch later, and you get 24. Who's sharing sides with x now? That's right, 4 is. What's it doing? It's being multiplied, so we are going to divide. Okay, what we do to one side, we do to the other. These cancel. Okay, I'm left with x equals 24 divided by 4 is 6. Good job. So now we'll take the original problem, 4x minus 19 equals 5. This is our check. I would like you in your homework to label these. If you notice, I put a little check by these so we know what we're doing. Our answer was 6. So where there's an x, we'll put in a 6. So I have 4 times 6 minus 19 equals 5. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 minus 19 equals 5. 24 minus 19 is 5. 5 equals 5. Check. That is true. Sweet. Okay. Your assignments. This is section 2.3. Okay, let me label this. Using the multiplication and addition principles together. Woo! Crazy. All right? This is like mixing your math drugs, okay? We're going to use them together. This is craziness, okay? The multiplication and addition principles together. Can we handle it? You totally can handle it. I have every confidence in the world that you guys can do this. I think these principles are pretty straightforward. So section 2.1, addition principle. Section 2.2, multiplication principle. And the section 2.3 assignment in this section will just be using these two principles together. You guys have a good one. I'll see you next time.